moving on to the other big story that is coming out is on the Onam celebrations, while the BJP President Amit Shah chose to wish the community. Here's what stoked the controversy. This is a tweet on your screen, which Amit Shah had tweeted, putting out a picture, wishing all the followers of Mahabali a happy Vamana Jayanti, with a picture that made Kerala see red. The BJP President has come under flak for tweeting his wishes at a time when the RSS triggered a debate on the celebrations of the harvest festival Onam in Kerala. Kerala Chief Minister has slammed Amit Shah for the tweet and has demanded an apology for hurting Kerala's sentiments. Now, here's what's wrong with the picture. It depicts Vishnu's avatar and it depicts Mahabali, and this is, as the legend goes, that Vishnu in the Vamana avatar had asked for 3-foot-long land from the king Mahabali, who is a very well-loved king. And as he took third step, he grew big inside, and as he took third step, he said, okay, where do I put my third foot? So Mahabali said, on my head. And now Keralites celebrate homecoming of Mahabali, and that's what Onam is all about, where Amit Shah tweeting this picture is going against their sentiments, is what the Kerala Chief Minister is claiming. My colleague Brijesh is joining me on this story in just a bit, but some breaking news coming in. Well, this is the news that is coming in, that just hours after there was a controversy raised after Amit Shah's tweet. Now, there has been another tweet for a damage control by the BJP president. Now, the earlier tweet, there's been no response from the BJP side or any apology. Let me take you through it, as there's been another tweet that Amit Shah has given on his Twitter handle. Now, this is the first tweet. If you can come and show our viewers here on the plasma, this is the first tweet that created the controversy. समस्त देशवासियों को वामन जयंती की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, tweeted about 22 hours back. Now here's the next tweet from Amit Shah, which is an attempt to do a damage control. It's now depicting the safe picture of Kerala boats, and this is what Amit Shah said. Greeting to all Malayali friends on Onam. May this auspicious festival shower happiness, peace and prosperity all around. So this is trying to do a face saver. But here we have Akshita, who's joining us now. Akshita, tell us first that why is it that, although there's been a damage control done over here by Amit Shah, that this tweet is not seen in the right light by Keralites and Malayali community?
This tweet comes at a time when there was a massive controversy over this issue, considering, of course, that RSS had taken a certain stand on this, and we saw quite a bit of outrage in Kerala. If you see this particular tweet, the image here is what's created a controversy, because this is King Mahabali. Now, in Onam, the celebration is the return of King Mahabali, which is what is observed. So soon after Amit Shah tweeted this, 22 hours ago, there was a massive outrage of sorts that broke out really on Twitter, with many Keralites coming out and slamming this particular tweet. Many of them saying really that they celebrate Onam. This Vamana Jayanti should not really come into the picture. 3 hours ago, now Amit Shah tweets out possibly a damage control, a U-turn of sorts, where he's come out and wished Onam as well. Onam greetings to all Malayalis. This comes hours also after Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan demanded an apology from Amit Shah over this rather controversial tweet, Devina.
Well, Akshita, thanks for joining us and giving us those updates. But let me tell our viewers that there has been another tweet by Amit Shah, and that has been this one, where he has shown Onam boats and then wishing Malayali communities happy Onam, but no word from the BJP so far on this faux pas. We're trying to connect more voices to join us on the story. But before that, let's take a very short break. And well, as Amit Shah is dealing with this controversy, and the BJP is trying to do a bit of damage control and face saver, we have here Sam, who wants to wish our viewers happy Onam in his own style. Go ahead, Sam.
All right. India Today കാണുന്ന എല്ലാ പ്രേക്ഷകർക്കും ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണാശംസകൾ. Happy Onam to all our viewers.
Well, thanks for that, Sam, and happy Onam to all of you. We're leaving you with these visuals of Onam celebrations.